We control the quality, the cost, the service, and the speed. Re-engineering, the fundamentals of rethinking and radical redesign of business processes to achieve dramatic improvements in critical, contemporary measures of performance such as cost, quality, service, and speed. In these next several minutes, we will control all that you know and show you the awe and the mystery of the inner mind of re-engineering.
Damn it! My check engine light's back on again!
As the customer provides his information, the service manager is writing the information on the triplicate form. This form also provides an area for the vehicle information. Once the service manager is done with the information gathering, it is then entered into the shop computer system. The form is now placed in line until the technician is ready to inspect the vehicle.
Hey Mark, man, you come take a look at this car? Hey, go ahead and put the check engine light on.
The technicians will now inspect the vehicle for any problems. They will write down what was found wrong and give it to the service manager. The service manager takes that information and writes up a quote for the repairs to give to the customer. The service manager needs to contact the customer to get a verbal approval on the work that needs to be done to the vehicle. Once approved, work on the vehicle begins. Parts are ordered, pulled, and given to the technicians. Once the work is finished, the vehicle is road tested and rechecked to make sure all the complaints of the customer has been fulfilled. The vehicle is cleaned, invoice is printed, and the customer is contacted to let them know that the service has been performed to the vehicle. Customer then pays the invoice and picks up the vehicle.
Now let's throw this bloody process away and show you the re-engineered one. Hey, how's it going?
Pretty good, how you doing today?
Doing good, I just got problems in my car.
Okay, what's up?
Instead of having the service manager write down the information, everything is done via PDA. This way, all the system's information is already being entered into the shop's computer system. The VIN number will be entered into the device and it will automatically decipher all the vehicle's information.
Alright. You okay, cool?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
Here you go.
Alright.
Alright.
Need you to put my...
The service manager will put the vehicle in the schedule, which will notify the technician that there is a call ready for him to look at via PDA. Vehicle information and the problems will also be displayed. The technician will then diagnose the vehicle, entering solutions to the problems, and send the service manager a message letting him know that he has looked at the vehicle and has given a list of the solutions to the problems. Now that the technician has transferred all the information to the service manager, a quote will be displayed in which the service manager will need to contact the customer and get a verbal approval to do the repairs. This is possible since the computer is aware of the VIN and what type of vehicle it is. Once the customer approves the job, The service manager then orders any parts needed that are not in inventory. This is done with a quick press of a bloody button. The rest of this new process will stay the same, considering time will still need to be spent on repairing the vehicles, testing them, and doing a road test. Like the previous process, once the vehicle is done, the customer is contacted for them to come and pick up their vehicle after paying the invoice.
The thing is we have your keys, and if you want your car back, you just need to pay us and sign that.
Oh, sign. Okay, well, I'll go ahead and do that. You know, this is so
Appreciate
good.
it.
Yeah,
Thank you.
great. You know, here you go.
Thank you very
Here's some
much.
cash
Appreciate
that I
it.
already need, but.
We now give control back to you. Hopefully, re-engineering will work better for you next time.